Meet Birdie, the red baby bird with an attitude you can't miss. Ever seen an angry little bird? Birdie's got that fire and sass. One day, Birdie spots something shiny on the forest floor. What could it be? It's a button. But this isn't any ordinary button. It promises crazy sounds. Birdie's claws can't resist. Pressing it once, a loud honk blasts out. Curious and angry, Birdie presses again and again. The sounds just keep coming. Each press makes crazier sounds, whistles, beeps, and whooshes. It's wild. But wait, Birdie's chatter turns into a dance. Who knew an angry bird could groove? You can't help but smile watching Birdie's funky moves and silly sounds. But uh-oh, the button won't stop. Birdie's wing is stuck in a soundstorm. Birdie tries to calm down, but the button's addictive noises are too tempting. Imagine you're Birdie. Would you stop or press it one more time? Finally, Birdie takes a deep breath and steps back. Silence. For a moment. The forest is quiet again, but Birdie's eyes sparkle with new discovery. That crazy button brought fun and a little chaos, just like you and me. Who knew a small baby bird could start such a big, silly noise party? Next time you feel frustrated, maybe a little crazy fun is what you need. Remember Birdie's story. Find joy, press your own buttons, but know when to pause. So what wild noises will you unleash today? Let your fun fly free. Hit like and share if you loved Birdie's button adventure. Stay curious.